Hi, gorgeous ghoulies. Today I'm doing something different than what I usually do. I'm going to do an unboxing of the most recent March. Is it March? It's March, isn't it? Boxy Charm. I've only been subscribed to Boxy Charm for a few months now, so anyway, some of y'all probably already know what's in this box, but this is going to be a surprise for me, and if you want to see what I got in the box, stick around. All right, y'all. As I said in the intro, I only recently started getting Boxy Charm. I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, Birchbox back in the day. I mean, that was like, wow, so long ago. Back when they first started, you had to get on their waiting list. I don't even know if you have to do that anymore, but back then you had to get on the waiting list. It was like a new thing, these subscription boxes at that time. But this is for March, and I want to get into it, so I need to get on with this video so that I can use the stuff that's in it. I haven't watched anybody else's unboxing of this month's. I don't think I have. I think I tried not to so that I would go in and see it fresh, but let me get this baby open. And let's see what we got. All right. This one is obviously for St. Patrick's Day. Don't celebrate it. So, if you're a pagan, you probably don't either. Here in America, I mean, of course, everybody is just an excuse for people to claim they're Irish and to get drunk on a weeknight, if it's on the weekdays, you know. That's how I feel anyway. So, Boxy Charm. This is Lucky. And I'm not going to look at the back because that's the stuff. Ooh, I don't remember picking anything out of this month. You know, that where you could pick something? I don't know if I did or did not. All right, let's just start with this first thing that I pulled out here. This is Rose Water Setting Spray, Maven Beauty. Now, I have not been disappointed in anything, or any boxes so far. I mean, there might be something here or there where it's not my favorite thing, but not necessarily something that I just hate. So far I've been really happy with everything that I've gotten. And rose water is a scent I love. So, let me smell this. What else is in there? Because that doesn't smell just like rose water. I don't know what else is in that. Shake well before use, after makeup application. Close eyes and mist evenly, 8 to 10, blah, blah, we know that. I want to know what that other scent is in it. Does anybody know? Does it say? Let me see. Roses are said to carry the highest vibrational frequencies of any known natural substance on the planet. Set your makeup, or set your intentions and your makeup with this aura-lifting, antioxidant-packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over, okay, blah, 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 16 hours, blah, blah, blah. What I want to know is what the other scent is, because it's not straight. The scent is not just rose, because I love the scent of rose, and this is not. Actually, it smells kind of soapy. I don't know. I don't usually use a setting spray. I use that refreshing toner one I have that is rose scented from Hard Candy, is it? But we'll try it. We'll see. You know, what the heck. So there's that. Then we have, does it say on here what else is in it? Probably not. No, it's the same thing that's on the back. This is Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And I've had some of their anti-aging products before, and I really like them. So this will be interesting to try out. Let me see. I love how they have to put things, warnings like avoid eye contact, do not use with fire. You want to know what story, what happened that made this person, these companies have to put that on there. I mean, really. Anyway, it says massage small amount, use 2 to 3 times a week. That'll go good with the Neutrogena cleanser I have. But yeah, let me see what it smells like. Does it smell good? Seal on it. Can't smell it. Let me see. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna drag this video out way long too. Let's see here. I don't smell anything. Which is probably a good thing then. That means it's just doing. Nope, don't smell anything. Okay, let me wipe it on this spongy thing. It's all over my hand now. All right, what do we have next? Was this 111 Skin? Is that how you say it? Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. And let me tell you, this packaging is beautiful. This is really nice packaging. Lightweight and cooling gel helps define the delicate skin around the eye and lip, which is most vulnerable to aging. Tell me about it. Highly moisturizing, this formula is enriched with actives to help reduce the appearance of lines, fine lines and wrinkles. All right, let's see. First of all, it's a celestial. We all know that I'm a moon child in space. Man, I want to go in space. Oh, that's a slim, sexy kind of thing there. Wow. Let's see. Oh, it's got the cooling thingy-me-doohickey. Anybody tell me, come on, waiting. The word, you know what I'm looking for. So let's see. Pumps them out, you pump it out. See here, come on. Ah. And I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh, feels good. This actually smells like a cologne or a perfume. It kind of makes me think, I think, poison. Oh, that smells so good. My good. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. I got one of those little refrigerators. I got the vintage looking Frigidaire. I want a black one too. I got a pink one. I want to get the black one too, just because they're cute as fuck. So, yeah. So I've been putting my eye creams in there and face creams, and let me tell you, that feels so good, nice and cool. So here's the next thing. What is this? Kim Ariana Ambrielle? Is that how you say it? Her name? Lip oil. Juicy melon. I don't know a lot about a lot of these things here. Oh, that's a nice little container. And look at that, my favorite colors. Look at this. I'm a dork, I know. Here. Has anyone tried any of this stuff? Coconutty. Smells like pina colada. Coconut and pineapple. That's what that smells like. All right. Juicy melon. Doesn't smell like melon to me. Let me see here. What does it say on here? Hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. All right. So far, whoa. Okay, I get the $25 box. Nothing luxe, just the basic box here. This here, its retail value is $140. Wow. I mean, it does. It smells like cologne. Is so nice. The Murad. You know what it looks like. I just threw it on the ground. $42. Their stuff usually is. I've tried their stuff. I like samples and things in boxes like this, and I really like it. Maven Beauty. That's this one. $22 retail value. And this has a $20. All right. Now the last thing is, let's see, $1 Billion Brows. This flake-free formula sets in seconds with a gentle hold to keep your eyebrows in place and on point. $18. And this is it. What is that? Billion? Okay, that's what that is. I had to tear the box to get into it because I'm savage. And I'm making a mess to clean up. I spent all this time cleaning up this area so I could do my videos and enjoy that there is natural light with the daylight savings thing. Let's see. Brow gel. First it had a smell that kind of chemical-y, but there you go. So, and since I don't have brows, I don't need a clear brow gel because I have no eyebrows. They're gone. I literally removed them from my face because they were gray, mostly, so you couldn't see them. And it was just one more thing that I had to make match that just, you know, didn't matter to me. And I've lost something over here that I'm trying to find. Where is it? Oh. All right. This is from this one here. And I will figure out the retail value. What does that come up to? We got 140, that's 182. Would that be 182, 204, 224. 42? 242? Is that what that comes up to? I'm not positive. 42, 18 would be 60, 80, 202. $202 in this box here. So, like I said, I have not been disappointed. Now, it is weird because, well, I guess the lip stuff and the eye stuff, but I've been getting palettes or been able to pick a palette or pick something. And I think I got asked for more face care stuff because I'm the aging, and I don't know. I'm not unhappy with anything except for the gel brows, the brow stuff, because I don't have brows, but that's, you know, that's just because I don't have brows. If I had it, I'd probably try them and, you know, whatever. But anyway, that's what's in March's BoxyCharm, my BoxyCharm box. I don't know how much variation there is in what people get, and I tried not to watch anybody's unboxing of it that I can remember, because I don't remember seeing these products. So, yeah, I'll put the link down. I have no coupons or anything. This is just me doing an unboxing so I can get some more videos. Look at my hair. It is crazy. And once again, get more videos out. Finish your sentence, Dina. I'm working on it. So, yeah, there's that one. And I'm going to wrap this one up because I have quite a few other videos I need to record today. I'm going to try to be better about pre-recording instead of waiting. Usually I record it and then I edit it and I pop the video up that night and it's like go, 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 go. So I'm going to try to do some better time management. So hopefully we can get more videos this way instead of me being like when I get depressed or something, then there's nothing because I'm so depressed I don't want to do anything. So So I'll wrap this one up, and I hope everybody's doing great, having a great day or night wherever you are. And remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. Talk to y'all next week. Bye. Or next time. Bye.